In the realm of superfoods, chia seeds have earned a prominent place due to their exceptional nutritional profile and versatility. These tiny, nutrient-dense seeds, derived from the Salvia hispanica plant native to Central and South America, have been consumed for centuries, dating back to the Aztec and Mayan civilizations. Today, chia seeds are celebrated worldwide for their numerous health benefits, which contribute to overall well-being and vitality.
Chia seeds are packed with essential nutrients that support bodily functions and enhance health. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, dietary fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. A single ounce, about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, provides a significant portion of the recommended daily intake for many of these nutrients, making them a valuable addition to any diet.
The high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds is particularly beneficial for heart health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, lower levels of bad cholesterol, also known as LDL, and increase levels of good cholesterol, or HDL. These effects collectively decrease the risk of cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, the fiber content in chia seeds aids in regulating blood pressure and cholesterol levels, further supporting cardiovascular health. Chia seeds are a potent source of dietary fiber, with a combination of soluble and insoluble fibers. When soaked in liquid, they form a gel-like consistency, which can aid in digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. The gel also slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping maintain stable blood sugar levels. This makes chia seeds an excellent dietary choice for individuals managing diabetes. Chia seeds can play a role in weight management due to their high fiber and protein content. Fiber promotes a feeling of fullness and reduces appetite, while protein helps build and maintain muscle mass, which can enhance metabolism. When consumed as part of a balanced diet, chia seeds can help curb overeating and support healthy weight loss. Calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus in chia seeds are vital for maintaining strong bones and teeth. With more calcium per gram than most dairy products, chia seeds are an excellent alternative for those who are lactose intolerant or follow a plant-based diet. Regular consumption of chia seeds can help prevent bone density loss and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Chia seeds have long been considered a natural energy booster. Ancient warriors and athletes consumed them for sustained energy during long journeys or physical exertion. Modern research suggests that chia seeds can enhance exercise performance by providing a steady release of energy, making them a popular choice among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce the damage caused by free radicals. This property not only supports cellular health, but also has anti-aging effects, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and neurodegenerative disorders. One of the most appealing aspects of chia seeds is their versatility. They can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, including smoothies, yogurts, salads, baked goods, and puddings. Their mild flavor allows them to blend seamlessly with other ingredients, making it simple to enjoy their health benefits daily. Chia seeds are a small but mighty superfood that offers an impressive array of health benefits. From promoting heart and bone health to aiding digestion, weight management, and energy levels, these seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition. By including chia seeds in your diet, you can take a significant step toward improving your overall health and well-being. Whether you sprinkle them on your morning oatmeal or blend them into a smoothie, chia seeds are a versatile and valuable addition to any healthy lifestyle.